When you take your Ecoride out of the box, it's time to finalize the assembly. Begin by removing all packaging materials from the frame and surrounding areas. Your Generation 4 Ecoride comes with an accessory box. It contains the charger, pedals, branded tote bag, and tools for assembly. You can start by attaching the pedals. The pedals are marked with L for left and R for right. Make sure each pedal is placed on the correct side before screwing it into the crank arms. Repeat this process for both sides. Next, let's fix the handlebars. Loosen the two Allen screws on the side of the stem slightly. Turn the stem clockwise by half a turn so it points forward. Remove the screws from the front plate of the stem. Attach the handlebar and tighten the plate screws in a crisscross pattern. Take this opportunity to adjust the handlebar angle. A good starting position is having the brake levers point slightly downward, with the rubber grips horizontal. Tighten the screws according to specifications. Next, adjust the saddle height. Loosen the Allen screw on the saddle clamp to adjust the height. Set the saddle to a comfortable position and tighten it securely. Ensure the safety marking is fully inside the seat tube for proper installation. Finally, register your bike with Ecoride Connect by scanning the QR code on the handlebar. Enjoy the ride.